We're flying a helicopter with Andrew today.
We
We're
are.
We're going to Oklahoma for dinner, right?
Yep. We hope. We'll see. If not, we'll go to Pelican's Landing, or we'll find another place.
Sounds good.
Jim's guidance. We're gonna have to find.
Is that the runway?
Yeah, that's it. So, and that's where we're gonna park. Right here. You got to be on this side of the fence.
Good deal.
All right. 265.
There we go. We got navigation.
10.6. ETO.
Variable 6 knots.
6. Go like that.
Right.
And then to seat belt is just a regular
Seat
pull
belt
thing.
Yeah.
And then you have to sit in the seat so that the, see, I can't take really big people because
I know.
when you have to sit between these things.
Got
I
it.
have to be able to lift that.
Got it.
These pedals are going to move, so you
Yeah.
got to keep your feet down here.
Got it.
This is going to move, and so obviously got to keep it away from that. And then this is how you talk to me. So you press this button here with your foot.
Got it.
You also can press this button, the intercom, not transmit.
Yeah, but you'll be on the controls, so I won't
Right.
hold the controls.
Exactly.
Got it.
So that's it. So if you
All
put
right.
your right foot in first. All right.
This is the button that I press, Andrew, right here, right?
Yep.
Got it.
And we're going to practice. Because practice makes perfect.
Yes, sir. Make sure my door is closed.
Yep. And then to turn it on, to open the door, you know what you do? You pull it up.
Yeah.
And
Pull it up
slide
and forward.
Perfect.
Yeah, I got it.
we're on flat ground.
Yeah. Watch your head, Andrew. Woohoo! We made it.
All right, stand there from one side. I'll get a picture of you. You can stand over there so I can get the two of us here.
Yeah, let's do it. You want to sit here? Yeah. Yeah, sounds good. Going back to the helicopters. We just came down to eat over here. And I got 2 helicopters. And we're going back to, now we're going to go fuel and then we're going to go back to Andrew's house. So we'll land in the backyard. And then we got to cross here.
On your back, or where did it get?
Nah, don't worry about it. It's all good. Did I get anything? No, we're good. Which side do I go in through?
This is the pilot side. Just watch where you step.
Well, I'm not gonna go inside. Damn, yours is a little different, huh?
A little bit.
You got the Garmin on the top.
Yeah, I really like the Garmin.
Yeah.
I mean, I could live without it because I've got 4-flight.
And you got, do you normally use the 4-seat or just the 2-seat, right?
Just a 2-seat.
Yeah. Yeah. And you got the camera recording both front and back.
I do. It's got 3 cameras. I love this. This is a car camera.
Yeah.
Dash cam, but it works great. I love it.
I'm thinking I should get one for the airplane because it works.
Look at the name of this thing.
Yeah.
It's a 4K. It was like $100 or $200.
Van True or Van True.
Yeah, the Van True N4.
Yeah.
It's great. It's got 3 cameras. So I've got it. It's almost like a flight data recorder
Because you record the whole thing.
I'm recording from behind me to see the instruments.
Right.
And I'm recording in front of me, and I'm recording myself.
Are you on YouTube? You got to make YouTube videos, right?
I'm not that guy.
Oh, man.
That's not me.
Let's do it. forgot to turn on the lift lights.
Dirt on my shoes. I don't mind climbing 8 more floors, 'cause these stairs are all heading to you. I don't wait for tomorrow's sunshine when I feel it today. And when it's cold in the dead of winter, remember that snow melts away. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance before the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. We don't need plans or a fancy agenda. Well, let's just see where it goes. We got no care for the way people stare at the dust and the dirt on our clothes. Hey, my friend, we'll never say remember when, if we keep on making memories where we stand, where we stand. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance before the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. And go put on that old wedding dress now. Probably still fits like a glove. And tell the band to play one more slow song, 'cause you still have all my love. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance before the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance before the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. Let's get happy before we get old. No more whiskey, I'll have a Coke. Catching bass on an old fishing boat. One more story from Grandpa Joe. Let's get happy before